Why can your child sing A, B, C, D perfectly but freeze when they see the word cat? Yes, this is the biggest phonic mistake parents are making in 2026. So, what is the problem here? Many children know alphabet name, can sing ABC song, can recognize letter, but they cannot blend sounds. And reading is not about alphabet name. Reading is about sounds. ABC song teaches A, B, C. A, B, C. This is ABC song. But when we use the word or say the word cat, so do you see that C A T, this is like T? No, that's why we read cat, we don't say cat, we say cat. Okay, so this is the big difference, alphabetic knowledge and phonics knowledge. This is the alphabet knowledge and this is the phonic knowledge. We say word th. So the brain signs it. When a child read, the brain connects. Okay, like brain connects to what? Brain connects to child knows letter, again sound. They move toward blending, and afterward they can easily join them and make a word, and also they can jump to the meaning as well. So this is the brain science. If we make only teach letter name, we skip this connection. Okay, and that's why a child can read fantastic, okay, but struggle with the reading of table because they memorize, and in memorization child can read this word because they have this is a close level, and they can't know that what is the concept behind this e, what is the magic, this is the magic e. So they memorize but they don't decode, and decoding is a superpower of this phonics. So the viral truth no one tell parents is ABC song does not teach reading. Worksheets does not teach reading. Memorizing sigh words does not teach reading and does not build a strong reader. Okay, so what build a strong reader? Is we build sound, sound awareness, blending practices, and segmenting words, repetition with fun. This will all become a strong reader. Okay, so let's try something. I says E. I sound is E. I says E. So if I say book, E, G. So it's become B, A, G, big. B, A, G, big. This and this sounds become egg sound because of this egg, egg, big. Similarly, if I say up, to, 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 and we will move forward to, set, set, set. So it's become sat. This is how children should be taught. Not B says B, but B says ba. So that is why Phonicship exists. On this channel, we teach you sounds clearly, planned step by step, use fun strategies, and make phonics simple for parents. Because reading should not be stressful, it should be powerful. If you are a parent struggling with your child's reading or teacher tired of a student guessing words, then this channel is for you. Subscribe Phonicship because we don't just teach A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We build readers by phonics.